The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello my dear children. The famous proverb says, where there is a will, there is a way. If someone is determined to do something, he will find a way to accomplish it regardless of obstacles. Children, set your mind to study. You can easily do it. Your willpower will change your attitude. Imbibe this proverb and act accordingly. Okay. Now, let us move on to our class. Let us do some problems. What I am going to tell you now is very important. So, listen carefully. Children, in a triangle of angles 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, the sides opposite to these angles are in the ratio 1:√3:2. So, sides are x root 3, 2x. See, look at this triangle ABC. Here, angles are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. The sides opposite to these angles are in the ratio 1:√3:2. So, here 30 angle opposite to the side AB ratio is 1 and 60 angle opposite side is AC ratio is √3 and 90 angle opposite to the side BC ratio is 2. Here sides are x √3 and 2x. Okay. Next, in a triangle of angles 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, the sides opposite to these angles are in the ratio 1:1:√2. So, sides are x √2. Look at this triangle PQR. Angles are 45, 45 and 90. Angle 45 opposite side is PQ, ratio is 1 and again 45 angle opposite side is PR, ratio is 1 and 90 angle opposite side is QR, ratio is √2. So, here sides are x √2. Clear? How these ratios are derived, that you will study in detail in higher class. Okay. For now, to solve problems easily, memorize this. Okay. Let us do a problem. A square is drawn on the altitude of an equilateral triangle of side 2 meter. First sub-question, what is the area of the square? Second sub-question, what is the altitude of the triangle? For that, here, first we have to find the altitude of this triangle. This triangle is an equilateral triangle. Here, the line CD is perpendicular to AB. So here AD and BD length are equal. So AD is equal to BD. Right? Here one side of an equilateral triangle is 2 meter. So here AB is also 2 meter. Here AD and BD are equal. So it divided into 1 meter and 1 meter. So AD is equal to BD is equal to 1 meter. Right? Consider this triangle ADC. In triangle ADC is a right triangle. So here AD is 1 meter and AC is 2 meter. AC is the hypotenuse of this triangle. Here CD is the altitude. So we have to find this using Pythagoras theorem. CD is equal to root of hypotenuse square minus base square. This is equal to root of 2 square is 4 minus 1 square is 1. Root 4 minus 1 is root 3 meter. So here altitude, that is CD distance, is root 2 meter. Sorry, root 3 meter. Clear? Here CD is root 3 meter. The second question is, what is the area of the square? Here CDEF is a square. Here CD length is root 3 meter. So here DE and EF and CF is also root 3 meter. CD is equal to DE is equal to EF is equal to FC is equal to root 3 meter. So area of the square CDEF is equal to side into side. This is equal to root 3 into root 3. This is equal to root of 3 into 3. This is equal to root 9. This is equal to 3 meter square is the area of this square. Clear? Third subquestion. What are the length of the other two sides of the triangle shown below? This is the triangle. Mark it as ABC. Here angle A is 60 degree, angle B is 30 degree, AB is 2 meter. Next we have to find this third angle. We know that in any triangle the sum of three angles is 180 degree, right? That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Here angle A is 60 degree plus angle B is 30 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. 60 plus 30, 90 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle C is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. So here angle C is 90 degree. Right? In this triangle ABC, angles 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. The sides opposite to these angles are in the ratio 1 is to root 3 is to 2. So sides are x root 3, 2x. In triangle ABC, angles 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. The sides opposite to these angles are in the ratio 1:3:2. So sides are x √3 2x. Clear? Here AB is 2 meter. 90 angle opposite to the side is AB. It is 2 meter. Here 90 angle opposite to the sides is 2x. So 2x is equal to 2. Here 90 angles opposite to this side is 2x. So here this is the given condition. So 2x is equal to 2. The next x is equal to 2/2 is equal to 1. So here x is 30 angle opposite to the side is x. X is 1. So here 30 angle opposite to the side is AC, that is 1. So side opposite to 30 degree is equal to side opposite to 30 degree is x. X is equal to 1 meter. Next, side opposite to 60 degree is side opposite to 60 degree is x √3. Here x is 1. 1√3 is equal to √3 meter. So here 30 angle opposite to this side AC is 1 meter. 60 angle opposite to the side is BC. It is √3 meter. Dear children, we have seen in class 8 that any odd numbers can be written as the difference of two perfect squares. The lesson identities. Using this, draw squares of areas 7 cm and 11 cm. Here we use the identity x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. 4 plus 3 into 4 minus 3 is equal to 4 square minus 3 square. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. 7 into 1 is equal to 4 square minus 3 square. It is 7 is equal to 4 square minus 3 square. Next, 5 plus 4 into 5 minus 4 is equal to 5 square minus 4 square. 5 plus 4 is 9 into 1 is equal to 5 square minus 4 square. That is 9 is equal to 5 square minus 4 square. Next, 6 plus 5 into 6 minus 5 is equal to 6 square minus 5 square. 6 plus 5 is 11 into 1 is equal to 6 square minus 5 square. 11 is equal to 6 square minus 5 square. Here area of square is equal to of square equal to side square equal to 7. So side is equal to root 7. Okay. For that, here using the identity x plus y into x minus y equal x square minus y square. Here x is 4 centimeter and y is taken as 3 centimeter. First, draw a right triangle with hypotenuse 4 centimeter and base 3 centimeter. Draw a line of length 3 centimeter. Mark it as A and B 3 centimeter. Using set square or protractor, you have to draw an angle 90 degree. Keep the set square on point A and draw a line. This angle is 90 degree. Using compass and measure 4 centimeter. Keep the tip of the compass on point B and draw an arc of length 4 centimeter. This arc intersecting this perpendicular line and mark it as C, join B and C. This is 4 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. AC distance is 1 root 7. Next, extended baseline left of A Next, using compass, measure AC distance, keeping the tip of the compass on point A and draw an arc. With the same measurement, keep the tip of the compass on this intersected point and draw another arc. Next, keep the tip of the compass on point C. With the same measurement, draw another arc. These arcs intersect each other. Mark it as D and this point is E. Join ED next join CD. We get a square EACD. Its one side is root 7. Clear children? The second question is area of this square is 11 centimeter square. Is equal to side square is equal to 11. So one side is equal to root 11. Here using the identity x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Here x is taken as 6 and y is taken as 5. So 6 square minus 5 square is equal to 11. Okay. Here first draw a right triangle with hypotenuse 6 centimeter and base 5 centimeter. Draw a line of length 5 centimeter. Mark it as A, B, 5 centimeter. Using protractor or set square, draw an angle 90 degree. Keep the set square on point A and draw a line. Next, using compass and measure 6 centimeter. Keep the compass on point B and draw an arc of length 6 centimeter. This intersected point mark it as C. Join B and C. BC is 6 centimeter. Next, extend the base. Here BC is 6 centimeter and AC is root 11 centimeter. Take a compass and measure AC distance. Keep the compass on point A and draw an arc of root 11 centimeter. This point is marked as E. With the same measurement, keep the tip of the compass on point E and draw an arc again with the same measurement. Keep the tip of the compass on point C and draw another arc. These arcs intersect each other. Mark it as D. Join C and D. Next, join E and D. We get a square EACD. Its one side is root 11 centimeter. Clear, children? Our next topic, addition and subtraction. What is the area and perimeter of a right triangle with length of perpendicular sides 1 meter? Here, ABC is a right triangle. The length of perpendicular sides are 1 meter. So here perpendicular sides are AB and AC. AB is 1 meter and AC is also 1 meter. Next, we have to find the area of this right triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into, how we have to find the area of a triangle? Half into base into height. This is equal to half into, here base is 1 meter and altitude or height is also 1 meter. 1 by 2 meters square is the area of this right triangle. Next, we have to find the perimeter of triangle ABC. The sum of three sides is its perimeter, right? Here, AB plus BC plus AC is its perimeter. So, next we have to find BC. BC is hypotenuse of this triangle. So, in triangle ABC, BC is equal to root of base hypotenuse square, base square plus altitude square. This is equal to root of 1 plus 1 is equal to root 2 meter. So, here BC is root 2 meter. Next, we have to find the perimeter of triangle ABC. Perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to AB plus BC root 2 plus AC is 1. This is equal to 1 plus 1 2 plus root 2. We have learned the approximate value of root 2 is 1.41. So, substitute here 2 plus 1.41, this is equal to 3.41 meter is the perimeter of this triangle ABC. Okay. Suppose we draw another right triangle on triangle ABC. How much perimeter of this triangle more than the perimeter of this triangle? How we have to find? For that, first we have to find the perimeter of this triangle, that is triangle CBD. Perimeter is sum of three sides. Here CD is not given. CD is the hypotenuse of this right triangle. So, first we have to find this distance CD. In triangle CBD, CD is equal to root of base square plus altitude square. This is equal to root of 1 plus 2 is equal to root 3 meter. Root 2 whole square is equal to root 2 into root 2. This is equal to root of 2 into 2. This is equal to root 4 is equal to 2. Okay. So, here CD is root 3 meter. So, perimeter of triangle CBD is equal to 1 plus root 2 plus root 3. This is equal to 1 plus the approximate value of root 2 is 1.41 plus the approximate value of root 3 is 1.73. This is equal to 4.14 meter is the perimeter of this triangle CBD. Okay. Next, how much more is the perimeter of triangle CBD than the perimeter of CAB? Perimeter of this triangle minus perimeter of this triangle, right? So here, perimeter of triangle CBD minus perimeter of triangle CAB. Perimeter of triangle CBD is 4.14 minus perimeter of triangle CAB is 3.41. This is equal to 1.73 meter. Clear, children? Let us do a problem. The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 1.5 meter and another side is half meter. Calculate its perimeter correct to a centimeter. First, we have to draw a right triangle. Mark it as ABC. Hypotenuse of a right triangle is 1.5 meter. Here BC is its hypotenuse. So 1.5 meter. And another side is half meter. So we have to take AB is half meter. Calculate its perimeter. Perimeter is sum of three sides. Sum of three sides is its perimeter. So first we have to find this length, that is AC. In triangle ABC, AC is equal to root of hypotenuse square minus base square. This is equal to 1.5 root of this fixed fraction change to improper. 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. This is equal to numerator square by denominator square, that is root of 9 by 4 minus 1 by 4. This is equal to 9 minus 1 root of 8 by 4 divided 2. This is equal to root 2 meter. So AC is root 2 meter. Next, perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to half plus 1 by 2 plus root 2. This is equal to half plus 3 by 2 plus the approximate value of root 2 is 1.41. This is equal to 4 by 2 plus 1.41 divided by 2. This is equal to 2 plus 1.41 is 3.41 meter. 2 plus 1.41, 143. Okay. Perimeter corrected to a centimeter. How? We have to convert meter into centimeter. This is equal to 3.41 into 100. This is equal to 341 centimeter. Clear children? I hope all of you understood this session. Do the problems at home. I will give 2 homework questions, page number 49, question number 4 and 5. That's all for today. We will see in the next class. Till then, bye.